Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Katie, and today I am filming my 2020 Rolling Project 10 pan, and this will be my first update. So if you are interested in seeing the progress I made in January and February, just keep on watching. Okay guys, I have some really exciting progress to share with you guys. So I will just go through the items one by one. And I did keep a tally mark on how often I use these items. And I did set a goal for me, so that I wanted to at least use it that many times. It was my first time doing that, so I was a little unsure of what a good number was. But for the next round, I will have a better idea of how many times I want to use each item. But I will go through that with each item as well. So the first item I have is my Wet n Wild Contour Shade. This is the Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and I have mine in the shade Dolce de Leche. And my goal with this product and this pan is that I want to hit side pan here. And I definitely think I did expand the pan. And I've really been enjoying using this, but obviously I haven't met that goal yet. I said I wanted to use this 10 times, and I actually used it 16 times. So this will be staying in the project. And next time I upped my usage on this, and I said I want to use it 15 times between now and my next update. And I am planning to do updates for this project every 2 months. So that is my progress on this one. The next item I have is another face product, and it is my Becca bronzer in Bali Sands. And I said I wanted to use that 15 times, and I ended up using it 17 times. It looks like this. Not a lot of progress. There isn't even a dip going. This is gonna take a while. I wanna hit pan on this one. But that is my progress for this one. So obviously I'm keeping it. I have enjoyed using it. And next time, I think I still want to use it 15 times. The next product I have is a highlighter. It is Mary Luminizer from the Balm. And I said I wanted to use that 15 times, and I used it 17 times as well. This one does have a dip going. You can see there, you can kind of see the pans. And my goal for this one is also to hit pan. I decided that I want to use this one again 15 times. The next one is so exciting. It is my Tarte Blush in Party. It's just a mini size. And my goal was to hit pan. This was actually in my year-long project pan for last year. And I didn't hit pan on it, but it didn't take me very long. I actually hit pan on this on January 22nd. So I wanted to use this 10 times, and I continued to use it and tally my marks after I used it. Sometimes I forgot, but I used this 15 times. So this is what this looks like with a pan. I'm so excited. I love this blush. Part of how I got pan and expanded the pan was I was actually using it with a small like pencil brush underneath on my lower lash line, and I love that look. But yeah, so I'm so excited about this, and I will be rolling in another product in its place, so definitely stay tuned for that. The next product is also a really exciting one. It's another one I completely finished, and it was my Catrice Concealer. And I wanted to use this 20 times. I actually only ended up using it 12 times. There wasn't a lot left. This is where I was last time. And I took the stopper out, I think pretty soon after I started it in the project, but it is completely finished. So that's exciting. I have another new product that I get to roll in. And yeah, I really like this concealer. I could see myself repurchasing it in the future, but right now I'm working on the two that I currently have in my collection. And I want to try, I think, a new concealer. I'm really interested to try like the new e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer or the CoverGirl one. But yeah, anyway, I really do like this, and I am excited to have used this, and I will be rolling it out. The next product I have is my Marc Jacobs Highliner. And I wanted to use it 8 times, and I used it 13 times. And my goal for this is to use this up completely before the end of the year. It's hard to track progress because you can't roll it up, but I have really been enjoying it. And next time I decided that I wanted to try to use this 10 times. The next product I have is my Clinique Lip Liner in Bamboo. I said I wanted to use this 10 times, and I actually used it 20 times, which is really exciting. Again, this is something that's hard to track progress on because you can't roll it up. But I can see there's like, it's clear through the top, and you can see I've rolled it up enough that you can see where the end of it is. So it looks like I have like this much left of it. So I definitely think I will be able to finish this by the end of the year. I'm not sure how long it will take me to finish that, but I've really been enjoying it, especially with the other lip products I picked for this project. They pair really nicely. So next time I want to use the lip liner 20 times. Since I did end up using it 20 times this time. So yeah, up my uses on that. The next product I have is my lipstick from Clinique. This is a small deluxe size in the shade Sugar Plum Pop. And I wanted to use that one 8 times, and I ended up using it 25 times, so that is awesome. And I will show you what it looks like. There's still quite a bit left, and it's still definitely going to be hard for me to finish this even within the year because lipsticks are so hard for me to finish. But yeah, I'm excited with my progress on that, and I did actually draw this on a piece of paper so I could keep track. So I started at that first diagonal line, and that's how much I used, which is really pretty good for a lipstick, especially for me. So I'm so excited about that. And next time I want to try to use that 20 times. The last lip product I have is another deluxe size. This is from MAC, and it is their lip gloss in the shade Love Child. I wanted to use this 8 times, and I used it 13 times. And I did draw a line. I think I'm about down to here. Well, now it kind of looks like I'm down to here, that it settled more. I don't know. I could be halfway done with this. I might draw a new line on this. But yeah, there's still definitely a lot of this left, even though it's small. I am wearing this on my lips today, and again, I have been liking this color. I think it pairs well. So I'm just going to continue keeping this in the project, and I don't know, it'd be really awesome if I could finish this by the next round. So that would be at the end of April, but we'll see. There are some other lip glosses I want to work on in my collection, but I have been enjoying that. The next item I had in this project was my Becca Color Corrector, and I wanted to use it 20 times. I used it 21. And I kind of drew a line where I was at last time. And now you can see there's that much left. And I actually decided I want to roll this out because I am gonna finish this with no problem before it expires. And yeah, I just wanted to work on something else. So I will be rolling this out for a new item. But I did make good progress on it, and I did use it as many times as I said I wanted to. I love this product. I will definitely repurchase it when it's out. That's part of the reason why I want to roll it out of the project. I want to savor this last bit because it's so good. And I don't know, it's pretty expensive, so I don't want to buy it when it's not on sale. I'm hoping maybe this will be in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, or maybe I'll get it during one of the Sephora sales. I don't use it a ton in the summer, but I definitely want to take this on my vacation with me in May. So that's part of the reason why I want to roll it out, so I have a little bit left. Then last item, I had an 11th item, kind of a bonus item, and that is a perfume. It is the Vera Wang Embrace perfume, and this is what this looks like. And I wanted to use it 20 times, and I used it 29 times. So you can see my progress. The first line is where I started, and that's where I am now. So it's pretty decent progress for 2 months, considering a lot of days I forget to wear perfume. But yeah, I got sick of it for a little bit, so I stopped using it. And then I started again, but yeah, my goal is to finish this year, and I think I should definitely be able to do that. And I want to use that 20 times next time as well. So I have a couple things I am rolling in since I'm rolling out other products. So one of the first products I am rolling in is in place of my Tarte Blush and Party. And I am rolling in another blush in its place, and it is this blush. It's by Space Case, and it is, I think the shade is Cosmic Gangster, which is really funny actually. But it is a cream blush, sort of similar to like a ColourPop blush or ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. And I apply this with a brush. I'm wearing it today. I really like it. So next time I want to use this at least 10 times, and this is what this looks like. I don't know if the camera will pick up on it, probably not. Well, yeah, right there, I guess. You can sort of see the grid pattern of the pan beneath it. I've never tried to pan this type of blush before. Blush is really hard to pan, but this might be a little bit easier. So we will see, but I'm excited to be working on another blush. I am rolling in a new concealer in place of the other concealer I was working on, and this is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. It's a little bit light for me, but I have been wearing this lately since pretty much I've been wearing this instead of my Catrice one when I ran out of that. So I would love to be able to finish this before summer, because this will definitely be too late for me on summer, or when summer gets here. But I want to use this 20 times between the next time. And I think I'm starting about at that black line. So there's still quite a bit of concealer left in here. This could definitely take me longer than summer. So we will just see. I might have to roll it out for the summer and roll something else in if it takes me that long, but this concealer is okay. It's pretty light for me again, so if I did repurchase this, I would want to repurchase it in a darker color, but it's a decent concealer, so I want to finish that. And then in place of the Becca Color Corrector, I am rolling in this brow gel. It's from Cella, and it's just a clear brow gel. And I want to use this 20 times between updates. I have another clear brow gel in my collection, so I'd like to move this one out. It's older in my collection, and I don't think there is that much left, but I really do enjoy using it, so I would like to get my use out of that. Again, this would be something that would be really cool if I could finish by the next update and roll something else in. But yeah, those are the new products I am adding in. I have had a lot of fun using them. And yeah, it's been really interesting trying to tally. I definitely think there's days I use the products and forget to tally. But I think it's really interesting seeing how many times you use it. And I think having those uses in like guidelines in a project are really fun because it kind of holds you accountable for making steady progress and not forgetting to use the things. So yeah, that is my first update. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. I do have my Palette update coming up, and I am going to do a new project starting soon on my channel. And yeah, that's all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.